Hello and welcome to Lean Agile Intelligence. We're thrilled to announce a significant update that will simplify how you manage your assessments. Assessment history has now evolved into Manage Assessments, an upgraded all-in-one assessment management hub. Let's dive into this exciting feature. To access Manage Assessments, simply click on Assessments in the navigation bar, then choose Manage Assessments from the drop-down menu. On the Manage Assessments screen, you'll see all assessments you have access to depending on your role. Admins can view organization-wide assessments, while facilitators and super users will see only what's assigned to them. Members will find assessments assigned to them with limited actions. Need to find specific assessments quickly? Use the filter bar. You can filter by role such as facilitator or participant. Your email will be the first option, making it easy to view assessments you're involved in. For more details on an assessment, click the eye icon. You'll see important information such as the assessment details at the top and assessment options, which are the facilitator voting status, participant requirements, and visibility of helpful resources. You will also see participant details, which shows you who's completed the assessment, their progress, and current questions. To take action on an assessment, click the drop-down arrow next to the eye icon. The actions you are able to take will depend on your permission level. As an admin or a facilitator, here you can open and participate in the assessment, copy the assessment link, cancel it, and complete the assessment directly from this screen by selecting Save Results and Complete Assessment. If you are an admin, you will also be able to reassign the facilitator here. Other options include reopening the assessment, editing the completion date for specific reporting periods, and archiving or deleting assessments. You can also perform bulk actions like archiving or deleting multiple assessments simultaneously. Remember, deleted or archived assessments won't be included in result calculations. However, archived assessments can be unarchived and reintroduced into calculations at any time. You can see the archived assessments by using our Archive toggle at the top right of the screen. To export assessment data, either clear all filters or apply the desired ones to obtain only the specific assessment information you wish to export. The participant information available in the assessment details pop-up will also be included. You can export this data in CSV or Excel form by selecting the correspondent button located at the bottom left of the screen. And that's how you make the most of our new Manage Assessments feature. We're excited for you to experience a faster and more efficient way of managing assessments. Thank you for watching and happy assessing!